Welcome back. I'm Suresh from Machu Tattoos. So today the topic is, can I use Neosporin or Silverex or Betadine on my new tattoo? So this is the most common doubt after we've done a lot of things about Vaseline as well as the coconut oil. Many of our clients asked this doubt, shall I use a Silverex or Neosporin, or some people asked Betadine, even Betadine also. So in this video, we are going to explain about this completely. Do watch the video. If you guys have not subscribed yet, do the subscribe. We are providing a video on a daily basis with a lot of informations, and our Instagram portfolios and all the Facebook details, social media details, it's there in our descriptions. Do click us and follow us to get more updates regarding our studios and the tattoos. Let's get into the topic now. Usually, the purpose of Neosporin or Silverex to apply on the small open wounds. Correct? We all used to do that in our childhood. If we get any bike skiddings or any cycle, when if it gets any wounds or sports, any gets wounds, then we'll be go ahead with the Neosporin, Silverex or Betadine. But when it comes to tattoo, shall we use this? I used to suggest no. But in India, many of the tattoo artists, not only in India, all over the world, around the places, many of the artists are suggesting this Neosporin or Silverex on top of the tattoo. But there are a lot of drawbacks behind it. Going to be work on the new tattoo. So basically, this Neosporin is, or Silverex is a petroleum jelly base. Due to this petroleum jelly base, it's creating a protective layer on top of your wound. This protective layer will help you to protect from the outside germs or other infections. So that's the main purpose of this Neosporin. Neosporin or Silverex is nothing but a over-the-counter topical cream. Correct? Yes. This will provide you the safe for your wound. But tattoo is completely different from the wound. There is a lot more differences. So when we talk about the tattoo, if you use a Neosporin or Silverex, due to this petroleum jelly's base nature, skin can't be able to breathe. This will start to give you the lot of scabbing on top of it. And this scabbing proclinely will cause a lot of skin patchiness as well as the ink fading may happen. So these are all the main important thing we need to understand when we talk about the Silverex and the Neosporin. So for example, if you are using a Neosporin, for example, daily 3 times or 4 times as per your tattoo artist said, and the another bad nature about the Neosporin or Silverex is it's very hard to clean. So if the pusses or something happens, that will be keep on top of your tattoo. If you go for the doctor for any of your small cuts or wounds, obviously they'll ask you to come for 2-3 days for another dressing. So at the time of dressing, they clean the wound. Correct? You all know it. But in here tattoos, it's very hard to clean. If you clean it and if you remove the scabs or if you remove that cream and if you try to hard wiping it, then you are damaging your tattoo and chances of ink fading may happen. Then another important thing, when you use a Neosporin or Silverex on your new tattoo, there is the chances of ink blotting may happen. Yes, you heard me right. Inks will start to get blotted due to its over moist nature. There is the chance of reddishness, rashes around the tattoo comes. So here is the picture. You can clearly see she got a tattoo from some other places and she sent a photo and she asked us, I used a Neosporin and Silverex and this is what happened. What should I need to do? This is the picture of it. So if this reddishness or any rashes or infections, you feel any itchiness, just stop applying it, because some sensitive skin will start to create the opposite reactions for this antibiotic creams. As we all know, this is a chemical and artificial ingredients which can give the antibiotical nature for that particular ointment. So we all needs to clearly understand your new tattoo, just apply a vegan organic products. That will give you the awesome best output. And my main suggestion is, don't do overcare for your tattoo precaution. Just do as your tattoo artist say. And apply a organic product. Don't go for any scented or chemical product. So for example, another thing is, if you are using a Neosporin or Silverex, okay, it has an antibiotical nature in your cream. When you do the second tattoo at the same time, after it's got healed, second tattoo will take more time to heal. And your body will not work on that because it will be expecting the outside and the exterior biotics to come inside and heal that. So this will not happen only for tattoo, this will be happens for all the things. So we need to clearly understand, don't use antibiotic and topical creams. So I highly recommend never use Neosporin or Silverex. Neosporin, Silverex, Betadines are good for small wounds, not for the new tattoo. So we highly recommend tattoo protector cream. So I have a personal experience of applied it on my tattoos, and it provides the awesome output, and there is no infections, there is no reddishness. It just takes almost 10 to 11 days to get healed. It's really an awesome product. So we recommend that, and this is the image of that. So if you guys want to get it, you can contact us. Our contact details are there in the descriptions. And don't use it. If you guys have any more doubts, do comment, as we'll be explaining in our next videos. Don't die nude.